Everyone knows the value of a superior crystal clear glass, but who hasn't experienced the effect of glass becoming more and more opaque and harder to clean over time? Why does this happen? Close examination reveals that glass is not as smooth as it appears. The surface of glass actually has complex topographic features. These peaks and pits in unprotected glass attract deposits such as dust, dirt, and grime. These get lodged inside the glass surface, together with calcium deposits, inorganic dirt and water corrosion, and attack the glass. This gets worse as time goes on, slowly causing the glass surface to deteriorate. Can this be prevented? Yes, it can, and quite easily. Inspired by the natural water repellency of the lotus leaves, by replicating their nanoscopic surface architecture, a brilliant self-cleaning coating has been developed. Available now, the BalcoNano Surface Protection is the ultimate solution. Extensive research has led to this breakthrough development. BalcoNano forms a hard, smooth and water-repellent surface on the glass. Dust, grime and other deposits cannot lodge and cling strongly to the surface of the glass, and they wash away easily. With BalcoNano applied, water does not form a film on the glass. The BalcoNano coating makes water droplets curl up and roll away easily. BalcoNano works on all types of glass and is also great for porcelain, ceramics and marble. The BalcoNano Surface Protection solution is very easy to apply, designed so that it can be used by the private homeowner and industry professional alike. Using the sachet system, you can control consumption, making sure all the material is used without waste and achieve spectacular results. Applying BalcoNano will greatly reduce the frequency of cleaning required. Similar to the way Teflon works on a frying pan, BalcoNano will make glass cleaning far easier. Just follow the simple instructions and voila! The BalcoNano Surface Protection is already protecting your glass. BalcoNano is great for use on doors, windows, showers, bathroom tiles, glass balconies, and many other applications. BalcoNano is eco-friendly and eliminates the need for harsh chemical cleaners. Transform your glass into self-cleaning glass. BalcoNano is available to purchase in single units or for professionals in bulk.